Hi, in this video we will see how we can generate a random number in Excel. To generate a random number, at first we need to select the cell. Suppose we want to generate a random number in this cell. Once the cell is selected, then we have to type a equal sign. Once equal sign is typed, then we have to use on function. The function name is random between, and in this function we have to put the upper limit and lower limit of that function to generate the random number. So suppose for example we want to generate a number between 10 to 100. So the lower limit is 10 and the upper limit is 100. So I'm going to type 10 comma and then 100, and once we type the 100, then we have to close the parenthesis, and then after that we have to hit enter key or return key, and we will see a random number is generated successfully. In this way we can generate on random number. We can also generate multiple random numbers. So for example, in this column we want to generate a list of random numbers. So for that case, at first we need to select this cell, and then if we move our cursor to the bottom down corner of that cell, we'll see a plus like sign. That means the cursor changed to plus. Then we have to click here, and then we need to drag this plus sign till the cells we need to generate the random numbers, and then finally we need to release our cursor, and then you will see all the generated random numbers are there. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily generate random numbers using Microsoft Excel, and also we can generate a list of random numbers using Microsoft Excel. Thank you guys for watching the video.